Okay, got my big screwdriver. I put something on the end of it. I don't know if it's gonna stick or not. I was looking for a little whatchamacallit so that I can, you know, so it won't damage it so bad if it damages it at all. I got some smaller ones, but I don't know where they are. Somewhere close around. This is some of that double-sided tape. I might be able to take it off. Tape it on there. They say that people have trollers on YouTube. I know they do. I wonder why. Everybody knows more than the person that's doing the video. Usually. Like I said, I'm doing mine just for the person who gets this car or for the kids. Now, where did he put it? Well, it looks like he put it one here. And one over here. Now this is going to have to come off. He tapped it. He tapped it with a hammer. That's what he tapped it with. But I don't know where my hammers are, so I'll use the next thing. I'll just tear this up. Sorry about the noise. Sorry about the noise. Let's see. Oh, there it comes. See? Pretty good. Look, there it comes. There you go. There you go. A little bit at a time, he said. Come on. Of course, I did this before. I wasn't watching a YouTube video. I think I had some instructions or something. I don't know how I got this thing going. Whatever you do, let that transmission fall on your foot. There it goes. Right on out. See that? Popped right on out. I hope y'all got that. Alright, here we go. Easy does it. Looks like everything's coming out all together. We don't want that. But since it's coming out all together, take what you can. Take what your mama gave you. It's very heavy. Let me see, should I put this on the... Guess I could put this on the bench. Hopefully this doesn't fall down, guys. Alright. And in fact, let me put this on the ground. Because that chair, that table I got is unstable. Why it didn't come off together? What's up with this, guys? Come on, let me see. Well, he pulled the whole pump and the whole other thing out together. Let me check to see if I can. Wish you guys could see this. No, can you see that? No, let me see. Can you see that? I don't know if you can see that or not. Don't know. Well, if you can, you can. If you can't, I'm sorry. Because I'm on a mission here. We see that this may be one of the problems that I'm having. This thing is practically stuck. I don't think it's supposed to stick on there like that. Let's see. Bit two here. Let's I got another big screwdriver somewhere. Got this one and I got a big black one somewhere. Okay, I'm gonna look for this other screwdriver. If not, the purpose is to disassemble this thing here. There it goes. There it is. This big joker here, I don't know if you see this. See this here? That, I believe, went on the pump. That's down here. Then this goes in like that. But I'm gonna leave it out. Put these things somewhere. That's not too bad, like in my trunk. Messing up my trunk. Let me show you this pump here. There's the pump. These things here glide on. That's the pump. There's nothing wrong with the pump because I saw it working. All right. Then after the pump, what he did was he pulled, no, he took this out. Push down on it. Pull this out. Then he pulled the band out. Well, he pulled this out first. This gasket. I'm planning on using all of this stuff. Back again because I don't want to buy. I don't want to spend any more money on this thing than necessary. Because I've already done it. That's a new band. That band right there is new. This gasket is new. Then after he did that, These thing here just comes right on out. There it is. There it is, guys. We're done. Ooh, it's moving now. See, it's moving now. Something I did caused that to lock up, and it wouldn't let me move that backwards. But it's moving backwards now, and I'm not gonna bother it right now. Transmission wouldn't go in reverse. What I'm gonna do is I'm just going, I can see that I can move it. And I'm just gonna put it back, take it apart, and put it back together. See how that's moving now? So we're finished. According to him, did he take anything else out? I don't think he took anything else out. Okay, I don't think he took anything else out. Nice, see that's nice right there. It's moving really nice now, it's moving now. See, it wasn't moving before. But it's moving now. I might not even go any further, but I'm going to go all the way and finish what he said. And then I'll come back. So we're done for today. We got that taken out. So what is he going to do next? He called it the upper part. Call it the upper part. Then the next time we're going to do the back part. So thank you all for stopping by. I appreciate it. And my children are watching this, I hope. We may inherit this car. Let's face it, they're not going to inherit it because I'm going to get rid of it. That woman, their mother, wants me to sell it and give her half the proceeds. Isn't that a shame? Anyway, okay guys, y'all take it easy. Let me know, how you doing, what you're doing, so that I can look at some of your stuff. And y'all take it easy. And I'll talk to y'all again some other time. Bye.